Mojo has fun.
Oh,
It's
welcome
your boy.
back. We're
And
back.
your girl.
It's your girls and your boys and your theys
And your toys.
and your thems. So we feel like we're about to crack this case right now because we're still playing Aviary Attorney, and we just saw something that's not quite right in this photo. Is this a hat? What is this? Yeah, it's a hat.
that's a hat.
He's wearing, and there's his muff and his hat.
His hair's so small, like cowboy.
Yeah. Okay, so we are in the middle of this trial, and we're about to bust open who we believe is probably the real murderer.
Ahem, ahem, ahem. In the middle, we see, Baron Rorgoyle, the lion who dressed the event. Hosted, dressed?
The same kind of thing.
Who hosted and then maybe dressed everyone at the event.
They did a good job.
Yeah. On the left, we see, Senor Pertoir de Meow, the father of the defendant, Dame Cataline. And finally, we see the, housemaid, Colleen Duhote, who I suspect may have snuck into the picture uninvited. Hello. Photobomb. Giraffes are so good at photobombing,
Oh,
you
hell
guys.
yeah, they are.
Oh, the best. As you can see, two people are clearly absent from the photograph. The first is the victim, Monsieur Grenouille. The second is the defendant, Dame Cataline de Meow. Quite suspicious. Won't you agree?
Wouldn't you agree?
This bird is quite the cuck. This rabbit's quite the cuck. Sorry, not the bird.
Shut your mouth.
Just a moment, Monsieur Rabbington. This proves nothing. So the defendant and the victim were not photographed with all the others. That doesn't mean that they were in the Golden together at that point.
Yes, it does.
I wasn't in that photograph either. Am I the murderer?
Yes.
You stupid asshole.
Hold your horses, Falcon. I'm not done yet.
Oh, you are.
I'm gonna send your ass to jail.
The prosecution may continue.
Yeah. As I was saying, before I was stupidly interrupted, on the photograph subjects, we see a wall clock with the same time set at 7:30.
Another fucking foolish mistake on your part. That clock has no hands.
Just like the last freaking defendant person.
Yeah, just like the guy we sent away.
The pirate.
Just like the pirate.
Now,
No hands.
no hands, pirate. Pirate, no hands.
Schlorper is playing X4 Foundations.
Good job, Schlorper. Now, why is that time significant? Well, as Inspector Voletti told us earlier, that was the exact time the murder took place. Ba-bam! Do you see, Falcon?
I don't want
face.
I don't want to ruin this rabbit's like real good time, unfortunately.
He's so feeling himself
Yeah.
right now. Every suspect has an alibi at the time of the murder, save for Dame Cataline herself.
Say, Falcon, that photograph doesn't seem right. It looks different than the one we borrowed from the studio.
Found outside the studio, you asshole. I'll see it too. Yeah, little bit different. Our photograph shows Colleen Duhout, Dame Cataline, and Seigneur Portois. This one is a fucking fake. I guess they had Photoshop back in. It's cool.
Wow, they're pretty good at it.
Yeah, but Monsieur Rubinio's photograph shows Baron Rogro where Dame Cataline should be standing. If we assume that only one photograph was taken, then this demonstrates that one of the photographs must have been edited in some way.
You should just slam that evidence down. Be like, bam, inconsistency. This whole courtroom is out of order. Case closed.
I can't do that.
Burn it down.
Well, I suppose you could be a little more delicate with your words.
Maybe don't put it down.
If you're a fucking wiener.
Yeah. No, I mean, I can't do that because our evidence was illegally obtained.
Oh my god, who cares about the law?
Yeah, if this was Phoenix Wright, it wouldn't fucking matter.
Oh, fuck no, it wouldn't.
If I were to present it, Monsieur Rubinio would ask how we acquired it, and the whole trial would derail. In
I
a
heard
worst
you
case-
say if I went to prison tit, and I was like,
If I went to prison tit, that's the
Yes.
prison where the birds with your tits go.
I mean,
little
it
tits.
makes sense.
They're cute.
They're
And
adorable.
Also, the blue-footed boobies go to that jail, too.
Oh, yeah, boobies too. Yes.
Boobies.
In a worst-case scenario, I could lose my legal license, and we would be arrested for theft.
Meh.
Oh, yeah, we wouldn't want that.
No, we don't. I should tread lightly. Your Honor, I would like to cross-examine the witness.
Very well. Sorry, I was looking at my phone. Proceed.
It's a waste of time if you ask me. Photographs are lock solid. Why not? Evidence.
Cross-examination. Yeah, we know how it goes. Okay.
Yeah.
So 7p. Okay, so photograph. I build Baron.
So obviously you have the bill, so you know that that's true.
yeah, but we also know I have the clock hand, so we know that he wouldn't have known what
Nice.
time it is.
Yes.
So let's go with time. Monsieur Rubinio, you say that you arrived at 7 o'clock.
Give or take a couple of minutes, yes.
How did you know? Yeah, how did you know?
I'm smart.
How'd you know that you arrived at 7? Do you have some sort of magical device that just tells you what time it is?
Ridiculous.
Did you see the sun? Where was it positioned in the sky? I don't see any sort of rock formation showing me the time using the shadows.
What an idiot. Well, the clock in my house read 6:45 when I left, and the walk to Chateau Crinière was around 15 minutes. I don't claim to be a flawless timekeeper, but I am a professional. I always stick to an appointment.
Should we ask the other question about time?
Sure, why not?
Time's the thing that we kind of have, I think.
Is it?
Maybe,
Yeah.
hopefully.
We're all losing it.
Yeah. How
One
long did it take
second
to
at
set
a
up? Doink. How long did it take to set up your camera?
It took perhaps 25 minutes to find a shooting location, put together the camera, and be ready to film. And be ready to film. Be ready to film.
Be ready to film. So you arrived at 7 and the photograph took place at 7:30 and you spent 25 minutes setting up. That leaves 5 minutes unaccounted for.
Vacuum. Surely you aren't suggesting that Monsieur Rubinio did something nefarious in this small window of time?
No, I don't think he did, but
No, I don't think so. No, but he's clearly been paid off.
yeah. Not at all. I'm just trying to piece together the evening's events.
You dumbass. I spent, well, I'm still trying. I spent, fuck it, whatever, a little time talking with Bertrand Rouget when I arrived. That probably where the rest of the time went.
Well, there are no other questions, so... All right. Set up my camera and captured the beauty.
photograph.
And one makes a photograph, and I build Baron. Okay. Look at this photo.
No.
Let's take a
No!
look at
No!
close up. Look at this photograph. Oh, sweet. Huh.
Clock hands.
Yeah, I see a mistake in the photograph.
Why is it in black and white, you fucking
Yeah.
plebeians?
Everything,
You're not
but everything is kind of like a palish sort of like tan, though.
some bullshit.
Sepia.
A sepia, yeah, Ken, that's right. Just to
Gross.
clarify, Monsieur Rubinio, photographs are a direct reflection of reality, are they not? And also, I heard that they can steal your soul when they take a picture. Is that also true?
That part is correct.
Speaking to the
Also,
mic.
do birds have souls?
Also, do we have souls?
Not anymore. That is correct. The photographic process leaves no room for bias or inaccuracy.
That is most curious because I see a mistake. It seems like you played yourself.
A mistake? Impossible. I told you, monsieur, the camera is a perfect, unbiased device. The photographs it produces are flawless. Falcon, I'm not seeing any mistakes. Perhaps you could be more specific.
Oh, I will be. Certainly. Click on the area of the okay.
Oh, where's the mistake? Oh, there it is.
Bing!
Bing! Suck on that.
The clock in this photograph. There's something not quite right about it.
Well, isn't it convenient? The defense sees something wrong with the key piece of evidence that implicates his
Oh,
client.
you're a little dick, aren't you?
Yeah.
Don't give me that cocky tone, Monsieur Rabbington. I have evidence that there's something wrong with the clock in that picture.
Something wrong with the clock in your head.
Missing clock hands. Doink. The photograph clearly shows the clock hands pointed at 7 and 6.
I didn't know you could read.
Thank you. Which is most curious because the clock in the lounge of Chateau Crinier has no hands.
It has no hands.
Bah, bah, bah. The clock is merely a decorative piece, a talking item. Feel free to ask Baron Rogio or his housemate if you have doubts.
It fucking talks.
Monsieur Rabinio, how do you explain this discrepancy, my fawn-feathered friend?
I don't know. There must be some sort of mistake. My camera is flawless.
There is no mistake, monsieur. Your photograph depicts something that does not exist in the real world. A ghost.
My soul? Maybe there was an error in the printing process?
An error precisely where the clock's hands should be? Please, monsieur, don't patronize us.
No, where its ass should be.
Allow me to offer a more plausible explanation.
No!
You, Monsieur Robinio, edited this photograph. Lines all around my fucking face. Bom, 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 bom.
How dare you? Edited?
I'm no expert, but I suspect that you used paint or ink to carefully put hands upon the clock.
I'm gonna put hands upon your face.
It would have been a simple task, considering that the clock face was bare.
Your ass is bare.
One could even speculate that you specifically chose to include a handless clock in the photograph, just to simplify the editing process, you criminal mastermind.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
I'm sweating so much. Is it hot in here? Could I get a glass of water?
Bird sweat? Because I feel like it's a little wet.
I'm damp as fuck right now. My cloaca's so moist.
No wonder we don't... My cloaca is puckered.
Oh, God, I have a clenched up cloaca. A little CC, if you know what I mean.
Oh, wee.
Falcon, your reasoning is absurd.
Why would the Whitneys do such a thing?
Is it not obvious?
No.
By showing the photograph to have taken place at precisely 7:30, it clears all the photograph's subjects of suspicion. In other words, Monsieur Rubinio created a perfect alibi.
Shit.
He just flies away.
He's like, I gotta go.
Of course, this raises further questions. Who is the witness protecting? And why? Was Monsieur Rubinio coerced, bribed, threatened? Were they going to clip his little birdie wings?
No, they were going to clip my cloaca.
Oh, God.
They were going to shorten it a little bit.
Enough silence. Let's hear some answers, Monsieur Rubinio.
Fine.
I'm guilty.
Got me. I'm guilty. I'm fucking
Kim really wants to be the hat bird.
the hat bird.
I love that. Well, no, I just see the little bird. He reminds me of Mr. Sparrowson. I
Yeah,
just forget that I'm not him.
Very similar.
So your Kim's bird blind. It's cool.
I'm guilty.
No,
I did it all.
Oh, this is me. You did it? You're confessing to the murder of Monsieur Greenway?
What? No. I have an idea for hooking the frog. I am just admitting that I am guilty of producing fraudulent photos. I was working to make changes. The printed photographs. And yes, that included adding ends to the clock.
You were ordered by whom? A joke just coming in right now.
I dare not say. I just turned British.
Monsieur
Hello?
Rubino, I strongly advise you to answer the defendant's questions. You have pledged to speak without fear, after all.
With respect, Judge, a fear is close. More than I fear the punishment of the justice system. I shall name no names.
It's Kim.
His claws. Did you hear that, Falcon?
That is most unfortunate.
That's a bummer.
Monsieur Rubino, we can't and shall not torture names out of you. We don't live under the his regime, after all.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
But since you have admitted to falsifying evidence, we cannot keep you on the stand as a witness.
Yeah, kick him off.
Take your leave. You shall be charged with perjury in due course.
I can protest. That's the least I deserve for my failure as an artist. Good day, monsieur.
Au revoir. Intriguing. Pretty convincing.
What a bunch of bullshit. See where the clock's hands were painted on? So what? It doesn't matter. The photograph still depicts Dame Cataline as absent close to the time of the murder. That's significant.
Don't be dense, Monsieur Rabington. If the photograph is not completely genuine, then it cannot be considered reliable evidence.
Why not? It's still a portrayal of the night's events.
Because if we accept that one part of the picture was edited, then we must accept the possibility that other parts were too. It is possible that Dame Cataline was painted out. Even worse, it is possible that another person, i.e. animal in person's clothing, was painted in. We know that the witness was trying to cover for someone, so all possibilities must be accounted for.
So, what are you saying, Falcon? That the housemaid paid off the photographer? Or was it Senor Pertois de Miel, perhaps?
You stupid blind rabbit.
Fuck you.
I think so. The housemaid lacks a means or motive, and it wouldn't make sense for Senor Pertois to implicate his own daughter.
Well, surely you're not suggesting that the honest and beloved Baron, roar, deliberately tried to frame Dame Cataline? Because that would be the most outlandish theory yet. The Baron is a pillar of our community. He would never do such a thing.
Monsieur Rabington, I'm not here to throw accusations. That's the job of you, the prosecutor.
Suck my dick.
However, I will not suck your dick.
Suck it.
Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Mayhaps I should offer my opinion. Meow.
But, Baron, it's not time for your witness testimony yet.
So you would think, prosecutor, and yet I see my good reputation getting tarnished by your incompetence.
I don't feel good. I gotta go.
Indeed. Then let's proceed with witness questioning. Is that fine with you, Mr. Judge?
Damn.
Kim is dead.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Very good. I trust that the defense has no objections.
No objections. Yeah.
Fantastic. But before I forget, I pledge to speak without fear or prejudice instead of bullshit, whatever I'm a fucking whine.
Yeah, you
Now-
sound like you're whining, all right.
Okay, are we going to continue just a little bit more, or are we going to bring this to the next episode?
I think this is probably going to have to go into a next episode.
Yeah.
Do you want to do one
Alright.
more, Kim, or do you have time for one more?
Oh, fudge, yeah.
Okay, well, JoJo's and Holly popped in. So, guys, we'll be back tomorrow with hopefully the final episode of this part of this game. It's just the first case. There's more. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.